Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it's been a while. Let me see, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, I don't know, but it's been a while and a lot. So today's video is going to be how I am going to prepare myself for 2024, the upcoming year, things that I want to accomplish throughout the year, and I'm going to also talk about things that I accomplished this year that was on my vision board and also in the getting ready for 2023 video that I did last year. I think I did it last year and uploaded it this year. So yeah guys, we're coming to the end of 2023. A lot has been happening, so I'm just going to give you guys a little run through of all that's happened, so stay tuned. So guys, 2023 wasn't my year at all. I had a lot of ups and downs, from sitting out the entire year, but that was part of 2022, sitting out the entire year of nursing school and then having to deal with my health, and it took a lot of toll on me throughout the year. But I'm thankful that I have a life coming down to now. We're in December, the last month of the year. I'm thankful. So yeah. So last year I did a vision board. If I am going to insert a picture of my vision board right here, so you can see last year's vision board. Last year I did not do a physical vision board. I did 2 digital vision board, one for my phone and one for my laptop. Well, it was actually 3 because I had one for the laptop and one for Chrome, since I can put up wallpaper on Chrome. So I did that, and then my phone. And out of all that I can remember that's on it, hold on. Alright, so I found it. So I'm going to tell you all that was on it last year, to get a camera to vlog on, to try and hit 1K subscribers, and to get a new phone, to focus on nursing school, even though I was sitting out, to still have a mind focus on it, that like it's what I want to do. So throughout the whole year that I was sitting out, so I don't give up that dream. And I had some quotes: your only limit is you. Tell yourself your only limit are you. Alright, so I am beautiful. You beautiful girl. I have love is my vibes. I have my bank account will grow every day. It did surely grow, but you'll have to hear what happened. I have a new laptop to travel. It doesn't have to be out of the country, but travel. Come out of my house, travel somewhere, hang out with friends, try to get monetized. That's a story. And another quote is, I am worthy of all the blessings coming my way, and then I have the money. So it wasn't a big vision board. One of the nursing quotes is, nursing school is tough, my darling, but so are you. So as I said, I am going to put it up so you guys can see it. So that was that. That was the desktop. For my phone, I had some of the things that I had on the desktop, like the hanging out with friends, the 1K, I have future nurse. I'm getting a camera. I also have the ring light setting up, phone, a laptop, getting A's, the little quotes, the traveling and study to save life things. So me Scully a lot of nursing school motivation quotes, and yeah. So this was for the phone. So 2023 vision board. So what did I accomplish out of it? I got a new phone. I did. Not well, I got a new phone this year. This year? Yes, I got a new phone. I did not hit 1K subscribers. I hit 800. So I'm current at the moment of filming this. I am at 831 subscribers. Guys, I am getting there. And for the 4K watch hours, I am not there as yet. So I did start back nursing school in September. Yay me. I did. And yeah, I think the bank account thing, I had money flowing through my bank account, but once nursing school started back, all of the money they gone. All of them. Literally all. So yeah. So that was that. So for the travel part and the hanging out part, that took place this year, anything you want to say, this year. I went out in April. I spent a couple days in Kingston and I went out. I did Devon store. I went over Heroes Park. Can be some live Jamaica and never do none of those. But else I went dining out. And I went out with a group of friends. We went to a club. Not really, but we went out. We drank some good juice, yeah. And I went out with some camp members, camp counselors. We went to Woodstock in Negril. Check them out, them good. And yeah, for hanging out with friends, I did with my friend, and we went to the place in Negril. So I can say that I did travel. I did. So that was last year's vision board, and in the getting ready for my 2023 video I did last year, I talk about getting stuff for my skin. I did. I got the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I used that. I got coconut oil to use also. And what else did I get for my skin? I think those were the two main things that I got. My eczema, guys. Oh my god. My hands are so pretty. So yay. My eczema is on the download now. I am so grateful for that. It is. Oh my god. And what else did I mention in that video? I wanted to get stuff for skincare, which I did. I got quite a few stuff and did not make any skincare video because I was so busy. But that's in the lining. Since we're in December, I can do a couple and have them stretch out. So you guys can have those videos. Also, what else did I? Oh, and for 2023, I became a bubble ambassador. So I got my first free product from a company, and that was from Bubble. And I'll show you what I got right here, or I'll insert a video of showing you guys what I got. So yeah, I got free stuff from Bubble. And I think that's it for my whole 2023 thing. So for 2024, that's basically a couple weeks away. I decided to do a physical, physical vision board. So this is my vision board. I am going to insert a clip of me doing the vision board, so you guys will see that clip when I insert it. Okay. It's open. Chutney and nutmeg Brussels sprouts for the main course to show Viola and Rick. Okay. Alright, so I'm not finished. I still have every space is filled out. Scallops. Alright. So it is finished. I know I have spaces. I was trying to fill them up with some quotes, but I didn't fill up. So anyway, that's my vision board for 2024. Yay. Alright, so guys, so I'm going to tell you a little of what I have on here. I came back with the whole 1K subscribers on YouTube. I have a little code say content creator beside of it. I have the whole money thing against savings. I attract money, period. I have a step outside of your comfort zone is a step into your miracle zone. Basically a code telling me that I need to step out of my comfort zone, and when I step out of my comfort zone, a lot of opportunities will come my way. So I have that. I am healthy, wealthy, and happy because I have my health under control at the moment. I am smart, no procrastinating. I need to tell myself that for nursing school. I have a big 23 here because I'll be turning 23 in 2024 on the 14th of November. Yeah. I have success follows me. I have nurse in progress. Please wait. Period. Boo. I have some skincare sets that I want again. Family, my La Familia. A car. I don't know why a car is there, but a car is there. Future nurse. Love yourself first. The YouTube plaque. I have a quote that says, God is within her. She will not fail. That's Psalms 48 verse 5. Get my first paid brand collaboration because the one I got with Bubble wasn't a paid one. I have a little quote that I am focused on myself and my goals, which are true. There's a nursing school thing here. As you see, skincare, my healthcare, mental health. I love my body. Girl boss, you can. An iPad to edit. Birthday thing, a lot. This is the focus that I'll be graduating. I am stepping into the most successful decade in my life, consistency. And there's quite a few, me getting closer to God. Yeah. And yeah, there is quite a few. I'm a successful influencer. I'm trying to be. Education is power, period. Then this quote I saw on TikTok and I fell in love with it. I'll insert it right here. The pain that you've been feeling can't compare to the joy that comes. And that's from Romans 8 verse 18. And that's going to be the quote for my 2024. Because all the pain that I felt in 2023, the joy of that pain is going to come in 2024. And that is what I'm going to believe. Nothing else, just that. So I did the whole, this I have one on my laptop, but it's not as big as this. It's just some little few things. I also have to get 1,000 TikTok followers. Be the biggest, not the biggest, but be a YouTuber, which I'm which I am already. And yeah, I manifest everything I desire. So guys, I just want 2024 to really be my year, and there's a lot in store for 2024. I am not going to promise you guys, but there's a lot. I don't know what can happen in 2024 to bombard me of those, but there's going to be big things coming for us over here at Life with Deelii, and also over on TikTok at Life with Deelii. So guys, just be patient with me. Your videos will be coming, and hope when they come that you guys watch them. I need to see like 100 views in 24 hours. Can we do that, guys? Because I realize that my views are going down. I need them to get back up. I remember when I was on first year nursing school online, those views were up. So I want to go back there. So I'm trying to be consistent, and I have consistent on the board. So yeah guys, so I'm just going to end the video here. There's not much to say, so just look out for future videos, and happy holidays.